Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to withdraw money from Moonpay. So let's quickly dive into it, how you can easily withdraw money from Moonpay. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Moonpay app or go to the website and log in into your account, which is very important. Then go to the wallet or asset section, then select the crypto you want to withdraw, for example Bitcoin or USDT, depends on any of the assets you hold. Then tap sell or withdraw, then enter the amount of crypto you want to sell for cash. So choose your payout method, usually a linked bank account to your account, or you can also use card. Then confirm the withdrawal details, complete any required identity verification if prompted by the account, then confirm to finalize the withdrawal. So wait for Moonpay to process. Your cash will be sent to your bank, the linked bank account or the linked card. And here's a quick important note: Moonpay doesn't directly hold your cash, so it converts your crypto into fiat money and transfer it to your chosen withdrawal method. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.